In these problems, we are determining points of discontinuity on a graph. And when we say a function is discontinuous, what that means is that you couldn't have drawn it without lifting up your pen. So if the function has a jump in it and picks up again there, or jumps up here suddenly, these are points of discontinuity. Or if the function is just undefined at a certain point, it's discontinuous at that point as well. So you can see on this graph, we've got a couple of different things going on. We're looking at numbers in the interval from -4 to 4. So we don't have to worry about those two endpoints. These have curved brackets, so we're not actually thinking, is 4 a continuous point on the function? No, we're thinking between those 2 points. And what I see, what jumps out at me right away is this. That looks like a discontinuity. I'd certainly have to lift up my pen to make that jump. Another way to think about this is if the limit from the left and the right are different, then it's not a continuous point on the function. And the limit from the left here is -1. The limit from the right here is -3. So this is a point of discontinuity. So I'm going to list x as -2 as one of our points of discontinuity. And then this point, we have an asymptote. That means the function is not defined at x equals 1. So that would be our other point of discontinuity. So those are the values at which f is discontinuous. Okay, let's do one more. Got a lot of stuff going on here. We're again looking in that interval from -4 to +4, and I see a break in continuity there. We've got an asymptote here, so the graph isn't going to be defined. And then this. So this is a perfectly good-looking parabola, except at 3, it suddenly jumps down from 0 to -1. That is definitely a point of discontinuity. And even in this case, even though in this case the limit would still be making this look good, if that point is not defined and then it's redefined down here as -1, this is a discontinuity. So the x values at which we have points of discontinuity are -2, and then where the function is not defined here at 1, and then this little blip here at 3. So that's a little bit of work with determining points of discontinuity.